Have you ever wondered what time frames should you trade on gold? In this video we will explore the main trading time frames and I will help you to select the perfect one that aligns with your trading style. The highest time frame is the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is primarily appropriate for investors. Weekly time frame shows you the price action for the last several years, and if you're looking for investing in gold, if you're looking for buy and hold trade, weekly time frame can show you very safe points from where you can buy gold and from where you can anticipate important bullish movement. At the same time, weekly time frame will also help you to identify the area, the level where you should close your investments in profits. Then goes the most important time frame, the daily time frame. Daily time frame is a very important time frame for swing traders, day traders, and scalpers. And on a daily time frame, you can identify multiple very important things. The first thing that you should look on a daily time frame is the key levels. Key levels are the areas on a price chart from where you should look for trading opportunities. And no matter whether you are the investor, the day trader, or the scalper, you can apply the daily key levels for safe shorting and buying opportunities. The second thing that you can identify in a daily time frame is the current market trend. Daily time frame analysis will quite accurately indicate where the market is going, whether the market is bullish, bearish, or consolidating. Lastly, a daily time frame alone can be applied for swing trading. When you combine the trend analysis, the structure analysis, and the price action analysis on a daily, you can identify very safe swing trading opportunities. And now we go through the intraday time frames, and the first one is the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame will be very important for swing traders, scalpers, and day traders. 4-hour time frame analysis will help you to quite accurately identify the intraday structures, the intraday support and resistance levels. And intraday structures will be applied by day traders and scalpers as the areas from where to trade and as the areas for the targets. At the same time, 4-hour time frame can be applied as a confirmation for swing traders and day traders. Once you spotted a key daily structure on a daily time frame, the price action analysis on a 4-hour time frame can give you a very powerful confirmation that you can apply for catching the long-term moves or short-term intraday movements. Now let's discuss the hourly time frame. Hourly time frame will help to accurately identify confirmation after a test of a key daily structure. If the market is approaching a key daily resistance, look for bearish patterns on an hourly time frame. While if the price is approaching a key support, a key daily support, look for bullish patterns on an hourly time frame. The same strategy will be applied with the 4-hour intraday structures. Once you spotted a test of important 4-hour structure, monitor hourly time frame, because hourly time frame can give you a very strong and accurate confirmation. And now about the minutes time frames. 30, 15, and 5 minutes time frames will be the scalping time frames, and I recommend apply these time frames only for scalping. And again, these 3 time frames will be applied for confirmations. So first, you should analyze the key levels on a 4-hour time frame. You should analyze the intraday structures, and then on 30, 15, and 5 minutes time frames, you should analyze the reaction of the price to the structures, and there you should look for scalping confirmation. The time frame selection depends on your goals and trading style. If you are an investor, if you are looking for investing opportunities, your priority is the weekly time frame. If you want to swing trade, if you want to day trade, you should always analyze it daily, because daily time frame will show you very important key levels, and on a daily you can quite accurately identify the global trend. On the 4-hour time frame, you will look for intraday structures and you will look for swing trading opportunities, while hourly time frame is the best time frame for intraday confirmations. Then 30 minutes, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes time frames will be your scalping timeframes. Traders, let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, traders, if you want to learn how to trade, do not forget to check my premium group, the link in the description below. Traders, please like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching.